I just want to quickly walk you through the data model overview. You can get that under reporting, data management, data model. It's quite nice. It just shows you all the objects in your portal. I'm in our Zen portal. Look, companies, 35,000 records, contacts, 92,000, etc., tickets, deals. And then if you move around, you get down to activities here, calls, meetings, notes, tasks. That all probably makes sense. Emails, potentially confusing because this is actually just a count of emails going in, logged into HubSpot, as opposed to emails being sent out. All right, let's go in and have a look. Let's have a look at contacts and view details. Quite nice. It'll tell you a bit of an overview, and you've got these two things here. You have 430 properties with no data. Now, you click on that, you think that might be useful. No, I've got to go to Ops Hub, but let me show you a different way to get to that. Let's go to properties. And instead of all properties, let's say no data. Okay, here it is. Now it's showed you the properties with no data, and you might even want to start getting rid of them, and you say, oh, why is that used, etc. But let me go back to all, and I'll go used in. Now you can see each of the properties where they're used. Let's pick on lifecycle stage, 202. That means, and it opens up, takes us to the property screen. It's used in 202 different areas, including 26 workflows, 53 views, etc., etc. You might then jump to field type and say, oh, I want to see the row. Oh, okay, there's a good usage of life cycle stages across there. Okay, back to the data model overview. There's also associations where you can see the associations between things. Look at contacts to contacts. There's that same association thing. More on that in a separate video. Contacts to deals. Okay, quite nice. So there you go. That's a quick overview. I think this data model overview, where is it handy? You go into a new portal. Maybe you're doing a quick review for a client. They show you portal. You can very quickly look at this and say, oh, okay, 92,000 contacts, 9,000 deals, 10 to 1. That's quite a nice ratio. Leads, only getting started. Quotes, haven't done many quotes. And yet down here, when we saw line items, over here, quite a few line items. So that kind of gives you a sense of how the portal's being used for sales especially. Let me know your thoughts.